Hello, my name is Jessica Ravanales. I am a student at Azusa Pacific University. Today is July 17, 2019. This video is for course Bio 240, week 2, the dissection of a sheep's heart. So I'm going to start off by identifying the anterior view of the sheep's heart. So this is the anterior view. This would be the posterior view, and this would be the external dissection. So right about here would be the right atrium, right about here. There you go. So the right atrium would be around here. The right ventricle would be around here. The left atrium would be just about here. The left atrium. So the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle would be about here. And right in the middle would be the interventricular sulcus of the sheep. Right about here we have the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava, right about here. This would be the aorta. And this right here would be the ligamentum arteriosum. Sorry for my pronunciation. All right. So that's the external dissection. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. All right. I should do it this way better. Almost there. All right. Okay. Almost there. Oops. I almost cut myself. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the, let's put this away before someone gets hurt. Okay, let's see. This one. All right. So these little strings right here would be the chordae tendinae, chordae tendinae, yeah. This would be the chordae tendinae. Right there. This right here, let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's because I cut it wrong a little bit, but okay. Yeah. Yeah, so this would be the chordae tendinae. Right here, just little strings right here. Chordae tendinae. Can't really see it, but this right here will be the pulmonary artery. Will be the pulmonary artery. And the aorta, that's right here. Pretty big artery. And I think that would be it. This is pretty cool. Really, really cool. And that's my whole dissection of the sheep's heart. Thank you.